So right now we're in Berlin and we are on this grass field walking towards our very first friend we're gonna make, and I'm very excited to show you who that is. So let's go. We are gonna meet Jeniffer, and what I'm curious about is what is she doing during her day? What about you?
Like what friends she's gonna take us after, and like how cool she is. Like we met her like last day, so we were gonna see, like we met her on the event and it's like amazing she's getting part in this. Should knock on the door and see this amazing woman that starting the chain of friendship.
Hello?
Hello! Hi. Hello Jennifer! We're coming in, okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Everything good?
No, it's okay, it's okay. Hello, hello.
Hello, hi. Good to see you. My name is Jeniffer Molinde Schmidt and I'm from Switzerland, Uganda, Oman and Mombasa, and I'm based in Berlin. Friends are really, really, really important because I think life without friends and love doesn't make sense. It makes my life like worthful. And a life without friends, it's no life. I have some good news! You're going to a friend of mine? You have to go in that side, east. Yeah. You will really have a cool time.
We are in a restaurant now with her from our host. She's great. She gave us like 2 hosts, like on the east and the west. It's amazing.
And when you lose a bread, you have to sing or kiss. That's the rule.
What is it? What?
Sing or kiss. No, that's a rule.
La 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 la.
Only when you lose the bread.
Ah, when you lose the bread.
Right. It's good.
Wow, it's like Cheetos.